Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 3 s, we can put number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 and we have s. Next, we need to add about 3 over 2 square. Later that we need to minus about 3 over 2 square. Because I want to create about identities in here. So this one that is about 7 over number 4. So this one that is about s minus number 3 over 2, everything to the power of 2. Later that we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus number 3 over 2 equals to the square root of number 7 over number 2. And I will use about tan t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 7 over 4 tan t square, 7 over 4 and 7 over 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, because we have s, so I will put this one go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one go in here. S we change for this one. ds we change for this one. Next, this one that is about 7 over 4 tan t square. So 7 over 4, 7 over 4, we can do about factorization. So this one that is about secant of t square. So the square root of this one that is about the square root of number 7 over number 2 secant of t. Later that we simplify and you got secant of t in here. So number 3 I will put outside. Secant of t will go in here and here. The integration of secant of t we have like this. And the next one that is about secant of t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So I will divide both sides by the square root of number 7 over number 2. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with arctan, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.